Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe, and I thank each and every one of you who's subscribed so far. If you subscribed today, I thank you too. And in today's video, I am back with another bullet journal idea, and it's all about gratitude. Gratitude is something that everybody has, and you should be thinking of these positive things without any and avoiding the negatives basically. So I'm going to share with you a way to express or show your gratitude and remind yourself of what you are, what the gratitude is. So I've just got a bit of my bullet journal paper. It's the dots paper like I use for everything, and then I've got a Papermate black pen, a Uniball Air black pen. I have got my pencil case full of Sharpies, but I think I'm just going to go with my Crayola pencils. And I will need a ruler, which is in here. And that's all you need. And obviously you need to be able to write or express your gratitude on the bit of paper. So I'll jot you down now and I'll share this page with you. Okay, first up, using just a normal pencil, you want to do like a semicircle but as a cloud, so it can be like bubbly. Does that make sense? And yet my drawing isn't the best, but does it matter? No. Then I'd want to just use my black Sharpie because I've decided to. Black enough. And then I'm just going to go round the edge. It's actually blue, but it doesn't really matter. It's just to outline it. And then it'd be a good idea to do this as a month, so you could do it like all of October or November, whatever month you want, but it's just about gratitude. So I'm going to write gratitude in here with my Uniball pen. But yeah, if you wanted to put like November in here, you could do whatever you want, but I'm just going to do gratitude because I'm going to do 31 reasons for gratitude. So now it's going to be like a rainbow, and we're going to go off with the lines first and then we will fill it in a minute. So I'll just go round with the lines. So we want 31 lines for me. Okay, I only managed to fit 28 on, but that's totally fine. If you just fill in, your paper might be bigger than mine. It's just exactly how you want it, really. But then you need to just write out all your what your gratitude is. Basically, let me tell you what gratitude means. So gratitude is the quality of being thankful, readiness to show appreciation for and return the kindness. So it's anything you are thankful for, really, and respect the kindness of it to return it. So I'm going to start. You don't have to go the right down, you can just start up here. It depends how long the words are. Family. Friends, and then environment, Have I spelled that wrong? Probably. Okay, so now you can see I've written out everything. There's probably more I could put, but for now I'm not. Then you just want to colour it in carefully. So we're going to start with like purple. So I'm just going to get some purples out. It can't just be them two purple, surely. I'm going to go with that of being purple. And maybe that. Okay, so it's like a rainbow. So whatever you want to choose is as a purple, which I'm going to have to go with that one, which I'm not sure it is even purple. Let me just try it out. Yeah, it's purple. And then you just want to colour in this bit, like the bottom bit. Like so. And then we're going to go into blue. So I just found a blue. You can obviously do all different colours. You don't have to stick to one purple, but I want to. And then green. Just go for this lime greeny colour that looks like it needs to sharpen. Maybe not, because that is right, not bright enough. You know, it can just be rough at the ends. It doesn't have to be exact. You should also think it's only you that is looking at your journal. Then yellow. And then orange. Pink. And then red, which I think this is red. Like so, and you can just see that coming together. Then I am actually going to use my Sharpies. Be careful of your ball pen, ball pen, because it smudges when you put your hand on it. So just be careful of that. So I'm going to get out a purple Sharpie. In fact, I'll get all the colours out so I'm ready. Blue, green, yellow, orange, pink, and finally red, wherever you are, red. Okay, Okay, so like I said, be careful because the writing smudges. But we're going to go here with the ruler and the colour pen that matches the colour crayon. And you just want to draw the whole, where you drew the line in pencil, you just want to fill that in with Sharpie or whatever felt tip you're using. Swap colours. Hope this is blue. It's blue enough. Green. Yellow. It looks green. Orange. Pink. And then red. And that is your finished rainbow of gratitude. And that is it. That is your rainbow of gratitude. I'll just read through mine. So it's family, friends, environment, health, changes, books, floristry, creativity, laughter, support, big things, small things, my own home, money, kindness, the future, talents, thoughts, inspiration, surroundings. I thought I'd write that twice in. Conversation, fashion, helping others, technology, love, relationships and possessions. So this is mine. It looks super cool actually, and it would be good. I think I might start doing this as like a monthly thing. So do it as the days of the month and then fill it in each day and just see what you are, what your gratitude is and what you're thankful for each day. Because I think that would be cool, and there's other ways I can do it. I just love it, and gratitude is something I write in my self-care book each day anyway. So yeah, I just think that's a really fun way of doing it. And colour is everything for a bullet journal. I have to admit that it really is, and putting colour and fun into it and creativity really helps. And even now I know gratitude is an amazing thing and there should be something you are have gratitude towards each day, and this just makes me smile even by just writing this all down for you, because of the brightness and all the things I can think of that I have gratitude towards. So I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below which one thing you have gratitude towards, and please also subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.